Hi there, I'm Jeanette and I'm here with creative stamping editor Nikki Gilbert. Hi Nikki.
Hi Jeanette.
Happy New Year.
And Happy New Year to you, and Happy New Year to all of our readers too.
We're so excited to be back and talking all about issue 66 of Creative Stamping.
Yes we are, and it's called New Year, New You, which is very appropriate as the first magazine of the year. What we have here is a gentle, humorous take on the things that we try and do to make our lives better, and the things that we do to enjoy our lives as well. So there's a little bit of health and well-being, and there's also a little bit of indulgence too, of the relaxation kind, and also of the chocolate and the donut kind. We have featured stamps from Acid Drops and Whatnots, focusing a little bit on weight loss, or lack of weight loss, which we'll talk about later on. But as you can see, we've also got some really nice images of relaxation, meditation, aspiration, trying to get yourself healthy in the gym, and there's a couple of images there for sometimes accepting the things that, like I say, make our lives that little bit better.
Like this donut and this,
donut.
Happy little bunny here with the weights. That's hilarious. And can you tell me about the techniques that the design team used with the stamp set?
Yeah, certainly. It was really interesting because we wanted to do lots of different things with the stamps. And Teresa, who made the cover card with the bubbles and the lady in the bath, she took distress inks and distress oxides and she worked to show us lots of different techniques to use them. So we've got lots of blending techniques, we've got lots of ink smooshing techniques, which you will see on some of the cards that we've got here. And she really took things to a different level. We have a feature from Laura, who used the tiny stamps to create gorgeous backgrounds, because sometimes you want to make your own background paper, and that's the joy of stamping, isn't it, that you really can create the whole package, the whole card with what you've got. So Laura used the tiny stamps, and I think that's one of my favourite features. But we've got clean and simple as well. We've got cards for men, of course, because we've got some real motivational makes for the men, and we've just got a really wide variety of contexts and ideas to use with them.
And there's also an embossing folder that readers can send for.
There certainly is. Yes, we have a reader offer with this issue. You can pay just P&P only for a bubbles embossing folder, which is perfect to go with the bubbles and the lady in the bath and all those kind of ideas. And yeah, if you turn to page 3 in the magazine, you'll see how to actually order the reader offer. Also, whilst we're talking about the cover card, there is a template that you can download from papercraftmagazines.com, and you can make your own centre stepper card just the way that Teresa has. We've also got a fantastic masterclass in this issue, which is one of my favourite things, which is working with the bokeh technique, which is a technique used in photography to sort of like disseminate light, and it's just absolutely beautiful. And Sarah Gray has done that for us, and she's done 5 cards, and each technique to get the same effect is using slightly different materials. So you don't have to have a certain type of ink to do it. She's shown us different ways that you can achieve the same result, and I really like that, because not everybody has everything. So it's really useful to see that there are different ways of achieving the same kind of result, but that what she has done is absolutely beautiful.
And can we please talk about this beautiful project in front of me, Nikki? This is so fun.
Oh, thank you, Jeanette. This was a personal venture. Over the years, I've had a little dabble with trying to lose weight, and it occurred to me that it's time to try again. So what I thought I would do is I would make myself a little weight loss celebrator, and what I've created here is a set of cards, and every time I lose a pound, and I'm going to do it this year, I promise, every time I lose a pound I can count it on my calculator, and then there's a little drawer at the bottom to put a £1 coin in, so that maybe I can treat myself at the end to something like maybe a recipe book or something really useful. But I'm determined to lose weight this year, so watch this space and we'll see. It says 06. I haven't. I've not started yet.
I'm like, wow, you are 3 days in.
No. I'll let you know when I start.
Amazing.
When we finish the Christmas chocolates. Then we'll begin.
Is there anything else exciting in the magazine that you want to highlight?
There certainly is, Jeanette. We've got beautiful features from Hunky Dory, from Craftwork Cards, and a new company called Thirsty Brush & Co. And Claire's brought a real lovely fresh outlook on stamping to the magazine. But what's also very exciting is that in this issue we reveal the winners of Papercraft Magazine's Designer of the Year 2018.
How exciting!
It really is.
It's never too late to subscribe to Creative Stamping, and is there a special subscription offer going
There
on?
certainly
Tell us
is.
about?
We've got a real incentive with this issue. You can save 50% on your first 3 issues if you subscribe today.
What a deal. And if you're not quite ready to subscribe, no worries, you can get the individual issue, which is issue 66, and you can get that at craftstash.co.uk, moremags.com.
You can also find it in your supermarkets, you can find it in craft shops and WH Smith's as well.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Vicki, for stopping by.
Thank you for having me, Jeanette.
And we'll see everybody real soon.
Bye.
Bye.